Analysis of the Way of Nature by Xuefeng. The way of nature is the way of the greatest creator. It is the way of non-action, the way of silence, the way of harmony and obedience, and the way of freedom. The way of nature is the grand outline of the universe, the law of the cosmos. It is the way of heaven, the great way, Tao. When humanity follows the way of nature, all becomes orderly. The winds and the rains arrive in harmony. The world remains at peace, and society is harmonious. But when we stray from it, chaos ensues. Disasters become frequent, the world is turbulent, and the people become contentious. Struggling against heaven brings endless suffering. Struggling against earth brings endless suffering. Struggling against others brings endless suffering. And struggling against the way of nature leads to boundless misery. The way of nature is profound and mysterious, beyond the measure and comprehension of human intelligence. It is filled with infinite vitality, beyond the resistance and defense of human power. Wherever the way of nature is followed, the place becomes a paradise. Wherever it is defined, that place becomes a hell. Natural disasters such as tsunamis, tornadoes, hurricanes, storms, floods, droughts, extreme heat, hailstorms, plagues, and insect infestations are warning from the way of nature. They are consequences of human society's failure to align with it. Man-made disasters like wars, chaos, conflicts, revolts, revolutions, regimes changes, disease, and famines are also results of violating the way of nature, forms of punishment from it. So, in what aspects has human society deviated from the way of nature? Anything that brings people anxiety, pain, worry, sorrow, fear, sadness, and despair, and cannot bring them joy, happiness, freedom, and true well-being, is likely a departure from the way of nature. To clarify, the development of science and technological inventions has not violated the way of nature. The tools and their applications in most cases are in harmony with nature. The real violations come from the following: the legal systems. Laws, judges, and lawyers violate the way of nature. Western societies that claim to be ruled by law have deviated from it. Look at the plant kingdom, the animal kingdom, and the insect world. None of these have laws, judges, or lawyers, yet they have functioned in balance for millions of years. With law, humanity loses its natural attributes. Human kindness and virtue are forcibly distorted. Even the common folk are restricted when they wish to build homes on their own land. The law suppresses the natural qualities of truth, kindness, and beauty in people. The existence of a nation-state contradicts the way of nature. It is like building a giant wall to confine people within a national prison. Migratory birds can travel freely, yet humans have less freedom than birds.